This is Tom Loughton from Nimba Creations. In this video, I'll be applying our reusable silicone Autopsy scar. I will also be applying our zombie mini kit prosthetics. These two are in reusable silicone. I'll also be showing you how to use our Sil Blend silicone blending gel. I'll be using this on the facial appliances only. This way you can compare the blended and unblended results. I begin by applying our silicone prosthetic adhesive to the back of the appliance. I stay about 6 millimeters away from the edge. This allows me to blend it later. I use the same adhesive on the corresponding areas of the actor's face. Once the adhesive is dry, the appliances are offered up and pressed into place. I use more of the silicone prosthetic adhesive on a brush to adhere the edges. Now I use the Sil Blend gel. This is mixed in equal parts by volume. You won't need a great deal, so don't mix too much at once. Once the two parts are well mixed, a very fine spatula is used to apply the gel to the edge of the appliance where it meets the skin. Once this is fully set, a layer of our prosthetic sealer is used over the appliance and the skin. I mix up a suitable dead flesh color using our perfect palette. This is gently sponged on top of the appliances and the skin. A darker brown-gray tone is used to add depth in the shadow areas. I mix up a light flesh tone and thin it with isopropyl alcohol. This allows me to use a 1-inch paintbrush to flick or spatter the makeup on, giving a mottled and broken skin tone. I also do this with a medium and dark tone makeup. Veins and discoloration are added with the dark gray. For the final touch, a warm red tone is added as eyeliner. This gives the eyes a weepy and weakened look. I now move on to the Autopsy scar prosthetic. I have pre-colored the wound for ease in application. I tied some sutures using a heavy cotton thread. I crafted a punch using a sewing needle with the eye cut on an angle. This allows me to push the thread through the appliance. The excess string is trimmed off on the back. Powder is used to mark the area on the skin where the appliance will sit. Our silicone adhesive is applied to the back of the appliance and the corresponding area on the actor. Once again, I steer clear of the edges so they can be blended later. The appliance is lined up pressed firmly into place. Once again, I carefully lift the edges and glue underneath them. The same flesh tone as used on the face is used for the rest of the body. Once again, I spatter on the light flesh tone and the dark flesh tone to add a mottled and rotted skin effect. Shadows and bruise tones are also added using this technique. With care, these appliances can be removed, cleaned, and used again and again.